Did you know artificial intelligence will increase your productivity and make your business smarter? Chloe, our AI smart engine, was designed specifically to make artificial intelligence accessible to businesses. What does she do? Chloe assists employees with customer service and sales by aggregating past customer info and making that expertise available to them. By sharing the collective wisdom of the company, Chloe allows employees to make better decisions. What's even better is Chloe's ability to learn. She evolves. With time, she personalizes answers based on feedback to become more accurate and to sound more natural. Plus, Chloe lives in the cloud. She works via existing business apps or our API, meaning there's no need to switch platforms. Try Chloe free for 2 weeks. Increase your productivity and make your business smarter with Sundown AI. Sundown.ai.
All right, perfect. So this is a typical Zendesk layout. I just want to show you how Chloe gets integrated into Zendesk. What you'll see is a typical question comes in, from a ticket from the consumer. There'll be a question here about one of your products last week. I'm excited to receive it. However, I don't have an update where what's the status of my order. And then here on the side, we have a Chloe widget that gets added to the Zendesk install. And what she does is she'll review the question, and then she'll look at what the answers are that's possible based on prior history, and then she'll suggest a response. From here, there's really two options. One is that the customer service agent can actually copy it as a reply. It goes into the public reply section, or they can edit this reply and then save it as a draft, and then the answer or response could be shared among different team members, and they can collaborate on the answer before they send it to the customer. Let's talk a bit about the mobile section here. This is a mock-up of what a Chloe mobile install would look like in a cell phone. So this would be on your mobile site, and what you'd see at the bottom would be this Chloe widget, which is a microphone and an X. And then Chloe, there's actually like a little pop-up that allows you to ask questions. And the idea behind the Chloe mobile is that you're able to talk to the mobile website, not just for search, but you can just ask for what you want, and then Chloe will take commands, those voice commands that you're giving, or text, right? She's multimodal. She'll take those commands and then she'll translate that into an action that fulfills what you want. She'll get you what you want, essentially. So in this case, you click on the green button and it starts a recording, or you can type it in and then you ask. So you can say, Chloe, take me, or go to collections. I don't know if you heard that. It said go to collections. Well, it's so yeah, it's kind of faint because we're using a GoToMeeting account. But essentially, she'll be able to navigate through the site, and you can say, let's say you're looking at the catalog here or the collection. So for safety first, for example, there's high chairs, there's car seats. You can ask Chloe to take you to the high chairs. You can say, Chloe, I want high chairs. So here are some chairs that you can see. You can add chairs, you can remove chairs, you can go to checkout. Let's just add a few. Okay, these look good. Would you add 11 chairs? Okay, so once you've added chairs, you can ask about your order size. You can go to the cart, you can go to checkout. How much is my order? That actually sounds really expensive, doesn't it? Chloe, what's in my cart? Okay, so we have 12 chairs now, because I think there was one before when we were testing the demo. So let's say that's too many. You only want one, so you can just say, Chloe, remove 11 chairs. How much is my order? So that's not what's shown here, right? So that's not what I see. What's in my cart? See, updated. So you can go, let's say you're ready to pay. I'm ready to pay. And that allows you to go into checkout and you can pay for that. I mean, we're going to add a portion where you could just give out the credit card information over the widget. You can say this, my credit card number is 3421, expiration, my name is John Doe, and go there. You can go to the, let's say you had a customer portal, which most companies have a customer portal. You can ask Chloe to take you there. Go to my account. And then Chloe would take you there. There'll be some information on your account, email address. You can ask for status updates on your order. Chloe, what is the status of my order 1004? Okay, so that hasn't been shipped. There's more order numbers. You can ask the FAQ questions, which you were asking about, like how can I track my order? How can I change my order? Let's say you want to know how much does shipping cost? How much does shipping cost? Okay, so those are the basic FAQ questions. You can add a bunch of these. There's variability with the type of questions. I think the real value is being able to answer specific questions and being able to translate those questions into information that the user can get at any point that they want. It's good because it's real time. And the other part about the mobile that's really valuable is that you're able to just ask for what you want. And when you tie in the reviews and you tie in locations and you tie in the additional areas of data, you can get discovery, which is users may not know what they want based on surfing or restricted flows of the UI, but they can ask for it. They can talk to the system and the system will respond. So this is a way where you can have an alternative to chat with instead of having a person there, they can actually interact with Chloe and get the information that they want as well. And it gives you new data points too, right? You'd see what the intent of the user is, and which is based on what the raw voice commands are, not just where they're going based on surfing that Google Analytics is telling you that they're doing, which may be because they're confused or lost, as opposed to looking for what they want. Any questions on this?
Yeah, Fabio, since we can't hear, I know Chloe's really faint. So with every time you ask a question, because we're seeing where she types out the answer at the bottom, so you'll get both voice and the written?
Yeah.
If you respond to everything?
That's
verbally?
right. That's right. So there's two options we can set. We can set an audio response where she'll actually read out the answer, or if you didn't want to have the audio read out, it could just show you the page and then provide the written. It's customizable either way.
Cool.
We might be able to add in a Canadian accent. We're about to. We haven't done that yet. This is actually, so our core engine, the Chloe AI engine, allows us to answer written communication